Want to turn your website into a money-making machine? Today, I'm going to show you how to place top-paying banner ads that pop up on different devices and at the perfect times with different ads, so you can maximize your earnings without annoying your visitors. Let's dive in and see the power of these ads in action. HilltopAds is a leading advertising network that helps online product owners, brands, website owners, bloggers, and mobile app developers maximize their revenue. This platform offers 6 ad formats to boost your revenue. Pop-under ads drive visibility without disrupting the user experience. In-page ads engage users smoothly within your content. Video-vast ads increase engagement and monetization through interactive video. Video slider ads capture attention in a dynamic way. Banner ads maximize visibility on both desktop and mobile. Lastly, multi-tag ads combine multiple formats in one spot, offering flexibility and higher revenue potential. The minimum payout for publishers on HilltopAds is just $20, making it super easy to start cashing out your earnings. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the comments and description. It's packed with everything you need, from setting up and verifying your website account to placing all types of ads on your site. If you're like me and already have an account, just log in and start adding new ad formats to boost your revenue. Over here on the right side of the dashboard, you'll see the official HilltopAds Facebook page. Make sure to follow it to stay updated with the latest news, tips, and exclusive updates, all in real time. To manage your site and ads, simply navigate to the Manage Site Zones section. Here, you can view all your active ads, check the performance of each, and easily manage the sites you've registered with HilltopAds. Click Ad Zone next to your site to quickly add a new ad format. HilltopAds offers high-performing ad formats for publishers, helping you maximize revenue by optimizing ad placement across devices and times to boost performance and traffic. For this video, let's walk through placing banner ads on your site. All you need to do is tick a box to enable it and give it a clear name so you can easily identify the ad placement later. This ad is designed to work seamlessly on both desktop and mobile devices. This ad works on both desktop and mobile and makes the ad implementation process super simple. Plus, it lets you diversify your ad inventory for more earnings. To get started, just click Ad Zone, and the ad code is generated in seconds. Once you have the code, copy it and place it on your site exactly where you want those top-paying ads to appear. Alright, log into your WordPress site. I'm assuming you've already activated the WP Code plugin. If you haven't yet, no worries. Check out the video in the card above, get it installed, and then come back to this part. Now, once you're inside your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WP Code in the sidebar. Navigate to your code section. Once you're there, click on Add Snippet. Next, select Add Custom Snippet from the options. In the code type snippet list, choose JavaScript Snippet. To create your custom snippet, start by giving it a clear and descriptive title so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named your snippet, simply paste the ad code into the provided field below. For the setup, scroll down to the Insert Method section and make sure you select Auto Insert. Then, under Location, leave it set to Sidebar Wide Header for optimal placement. For device type, choose all devices so your ads show across desktops, tablets, and mobiles. Finally, turn the ad to active and click Save Snippet to complete the setup. Let's check the result. Now, whenever a visitor lands on your site, they'll see a 300 by 250 banner ad pop up at the top. It's perfectly sized to fit most spots without overwhelming the user. It's responsive, adapting seamlessly to all devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile, ensuring great visibility without disrupting the experience. It's super easy to set up, and the results are awesome. You're boosting your earnings while keeping a great user experience. What more could you want? Start monetizing your website today with HilltopAds. Get access to high CPM formats that bring in top earnings, along with weekly payouts. No delays. The best part? You only need a minimum of $20 to cash out. Plus, enjoy advanced monetization tools to optimize your revenue and maximize earnings. It's time to take your website to the next level. If you're new here and want to start from the very beginning, make sure to check out the playlist from zero. It's packed with everything you need to know. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next one.